Washington Governor Jay Inslee put some directives in place aimed at stopping the spread of the new coronavirus. Fox 12's John Hendricks reports live in Vancouver with the story. John?
Well, Pete, these rules and guidelines are aimed at helping people most at risk, meaning those who are 60 years of age or older, or those with like an underlying health issue. Now, here in Vancouver, nursing homes and senior living places aren't taking any chances. Trying to stop the spread of COVID-19 in the Evergreen State.
We need to look forward ahead of the curve in Washington State. If we're going to stop this epidemic or seriously slow it down, we need to look at what's coming in Washington State, not just as what is here today.
Governor Jay Inslee laying out new directives Tuesday to combat the virus and stop its spread. He says there could be upwards of 1,000 cases in Washington. The worry, that number doubling every 5 to 8 days.
So the number of people who are infected in an epidemic like this will double in the state of Washington unless we take some real action here.
He put forward guidelines to help better protect seniors, the most vulnerable to this virus. Places like care homes and other facilities need to abide by these guidelines. Visits must take place in residents' rooms. All visitors must sign into a visitor's log. That log must be kept for 30 days. Employees and volunteers must be screened for COVID-19 before starting each shift. People with the virus must be isolated away from other people. At Bonaventure, Vancouver.
Key is prevention.
The health and safety of the folks who live in this senior living facility is a top priority. That's why several weeks ago they put in place a plan to keep COVID-19 out.
We've started implementing further measures, things that we had planned in advance. So when you start looking at, what visitors you're allowing, you're looking at what activities are going on, you're looking at additional cleaning and sanitation and disinfection routines.
They have brought on extra staff to do even more cleaning. Visitors are being screened as well as staff. They understand some of these new rules may be cumbersome, but want families to know that they're doing their best to keep the virus out.
And we just ask for their patience and understanding as we implement that and figure out how does that fit in our everyday.
Now, the guidelines that were put forward by the governor will be put in place through at least the beginning of April. Reporting live tonight, John Hendricks, Fox 12 Oregon.